Who said you must visit a shawarma stand before you can enjoy a mouth-watering shawarma? Today I am bringing the flavors of the Middle East straight to your kitchen with this homemade chicken shawarma, packed with juicy spiced chicken and all the fillings. It's so easy to make, I bet you will never need to leave the house again for a delicious shawarma. Hello kitchen lovers, and welcome to my kitchen my ways. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. Please do well to subscribe. I'll be super excited to have you join the family. Also share, like and comment, and turn on the bell icon so you get notified when next I post a video like this. So for today's recipe, I'll be using some deboned chicken parts, some grated carrots, some ketchup, mayonnaise, some finely chopped cabbage, spices, salt, seasoning cubes, some oil, and of course I use some soy sauce and some spiced pepper sauce for that extra spicy taste. So to start, I go in with my spices. Here I have some curry powder, some ginger powder, some garlic powder and white pepper powder. I pour it into my deboned chicken parts, crushed in some seasoning cubes like this, went in with a little salt, some soy sauce, and some hot pepper sauce. Now I mix very well. Make sure that they all marry each other very well. Mix it until it's well combined like this. Just take your time and give it a very good mix. After which you cover and allow it to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. Now in a clean pot, I go in with some oil. And then I go in with our marinated chicken parts. Cover to cook for some few minutes. After about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, I open and then turn, flip the other side to make sure that all your chicken parts are well cooked, like so. You can see how it's sizzling. After which I cover again to allow the other side to get cooked too. Now our chicken is ready. I turn off the heat, then put it on my chopping board and cut them into smaller pieces like this. Just take your time. Cut them into smaller pieces like so. Now our chicken is ready. I turn on the heat again, turn it back into the pan. And stir fry until it's golden brown, like so. Just Just keep frying it like this. See how everything has turned golden brown. We now turn off the heat and our chicken is ready. So in a clean bowl, I go in with my shredded cabbage, some grated carrots, like so, went in with some mayonnaise and some ketchup. By the way, the mayonnaise and the ketchup I use in this recipe are homemade. So if you want me to show you how to make this mayonnaise and ketchup at home, please comment in the comment section and I'll be glad to show you how to make them. Now mix very well. Like so. Make sure everything is well combined. Now go in with our chicken. So this will be the filling for our shawarma. Mix everything together, mix them very well. Make sure everything is well combined and the chicken is evenly distributed in the cabbage. Now I bring out my tortilla bread. I'm using the store-bought, but you can actually make it at home. Again, if you want me to show you how to make your own tortilla bread, comment in the comment section. Now if you notice, I did not turn the whole mayonnaise and ketchup onto my cabbage. So I mixed the remaining mayonnaise and ketchup together. This is what my children call mayo ketch, or mayo ketch, whatever. And then I spread a generous amount in one tortilla sheet, like so. Then I go in with my fillings. Now if you want to put in these fillings, don't put it in the middle of the sheet. Put it in the side, the edge, the side facing you. That will make it easier for you to roll, to get that perfect shawarma shape. Turn it to your side, or rather pull it to your side and fold it like so. Now you fold one edge and leave one open, like this. In a dry pan, you place them, the folded side down. The heat will help seal it. After about a minute or two, you turn it to the other side like this. Carefully turn them to the other side. Make sure not to spill your fillings. Just carefully turn them like this so that all sides will be heated, like so. Now our shawarma is ready. You just put off the heat and take them off the pan. You can serve them with sliced cucumber, onions, and some ketchup too. There you have it. Our yummy shawarma, inviting shawarma is ready. Tell me in the comment section, will you try this? Thanks for watching.